Hi guys, welcome to this video on how to make Dalgona coffee. First, add the 2 tablespoons of coffee to a small bowl. Next, you'll need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. The next step is to add 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water. Once you've added the water, we suggest mixing it together a little bit with a hand whisk before using the electric whisk. We found this helped to mix all the coffee and sugar and water together in preparation for using the electric whisk. If you don't have an electric whisk, you will need to use the hand whisk for around about 10 minutes to get the desired effect that you would with the electric version. As you can see, only from 30 seconds of whisking it is starting to froth up already. As you can see guys, yes, I did forget to turn on my camera from the very beginning, but you can see that as I'm whisking, the mixture is becoming more mousse-like and more frothy. This process will take between 3 and 5 minutes with an electric whisk. You'll know when it's near enough done is when you take out the whisk, the mousse stays in like a stiff peak. This next part is just us putting our own little twist on this viral sensation. We're putting a little bit of Madagascar vanilla essence into the whipped coffee, just to give it a little bit of something different. I tried this a couple of times and about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence is more than enough for you to get the flavour coming through the coffee. Once you've added it, give it another whisk for about 30 seconds or so and it'll be perfect. As you can see, the consistency now leaves a nice peak when you pull out the whisk. That is perfect. Last but no means least, add your milk to a glass or a mug. We are using cold milk here because funnily enough it's quite summery here in Yorkshire at the minute. So we'll have a nice coffee. You can use hot milk, just depending how you want it. With the whipped coffee, use a spoon, spread it all around the top, like so. And of course, once you have taken some Instagram-worthy photos of the layers, stir it all together and enjoy your vanilla Dalgona coffee. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial guys. I hope you don't mind me jumping on the TikTok bandwagon. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.